I have someone that was in the room when Ngizwe allegedly
met the president.
Right.
Yeah.
Who?
And Pagela.
And Pagala Mthakathi.
Allegedly.
Oh yeah, yes.
When they allegedly got paid.
Yeah.
For something million.
What?
Yes.
Did they send a vendor number?
Yes.
You're lying.
Hold on.
You're lying.
Hold on, I'm not lying.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're close to politicians. Like
Benjani Chauke.
Was it hard cash?
ANC ones.
Was it hard cash?
Hold on, guys, come on, bro. You guys are just trying to get me to court.
No,
we're not.
Hold on. Hold on.
We're not.
Let me rephrase this.
We're not stamps.
And put it
We
out
want to
there.
be licked.
Yeah.
The reason why I don't want to listen to Ngizwe, that's a pun, by the way.
No, it's not.
It is. So,
That's to hear. Nglalele. That's to listen.
it's not a pun?
It's a pan. It's a pan. So it's a pan. Take it from me, my dog. It's a pan.
I thought this nigga's educated.
No, say no, this is a pan.
So he's not here. He's listening, but he's not here.
Mkwana, relax.
This man.
Not just listening, but it's not
Okay,
here.
tell us, please. Tell
So
us.
here is Ngizwe. Hear me.
Like,
Listen,
Hear me.
you're pissing Tahi off. Continue.
I'm the pan checker today. I was just going to say checker. I'm the pan checker here. Because some of these pans go unchecked and you know what I mean? I'm needed. Yeah, na panishega. That's a good one. Na panishega. Na panishega.
so, man.
Yeah.
Hold on. Like, guys.
You're supposed to get to this afterwards, but okay, fine. We'll go to Zoot
No,
later.
let me do it now because Ngizwe upsets me a lot. Right. I was smoking harbler in someone's house. A very rich guy, big politician, that was in the room.
With Somizi.
No, when these niggas allegedly got paid.
Oh, okay.
Right? And signed DNAs.
NDAs.
Allegedly.
Okay, yes.
DNA
never
NDAs.
lies. Yes.
Okay,
yeah.
Oh, NDA is black.
No. NDA is nda.
Stop interrupting his fees.
I'm not
Stop interrupting the man.
I'm trying to help him, dog. I'm
Right.
his sober companion.
We understand where he's going at.
Kunjalo vele.
Ngokwazi kwami mina akekho umongameli oya kwi-conference unarmed. Yangizwa? Kuya ngokuthi ubani onenhlava eningi, kuya ngokuthi ubani onamabhomu amaningi. Kodwa there is no presidential candidate that can go to the conference of the African Congress unarmed. 2012 against Harimo Motlanthe, the president Jacob Gadletsi Zuma was the president in Mangaung, and he was smiling forever because he knew it. There's no way that the second term can be easily defeated by Harimo Motlanthe, and Harimo Motlanthe was perished. So manje uZuma njengoba ngithi political genius, immediately after the conference CR17 Nazareth were creating narrative and a stigma against uCyril ukuthi yonke into ayenza uCyril uyenza ngemali. He's not a politician, he's not a leader, namabhizinisi aqonda athi wathola kanjani, wagulika kanjani, kwakwase kumfanela ngoba is the first president of South Africa on a record le business.
Business vele.
And waqhamuka futhi nenunu le shwabene yangapha eprojectini ubheka icele. Ubheka icele wathi ma campaignela uCyril. Wathi for the first time esesonto uZuma ngoba ipolitiki madoda. Ethi for the first time in history in this country suba lo president ongantshontshi ngoba basebenzisa amaGupta against uZuma.
Yes.
Against uZuma, amaGupta against uZuma, bese bephinde futhi besebenzisa i-element yanina yase lokujaneni yase ukuthi unemabhizinisi akhe bathi umongameli ongezuntshontsha
macingwana
ilapho ke stigma sikaCyril so ukuthi yonke into yenza ngemali saqhamuka khona.
Kodwa ke there was no time
whereby JZ have to compete with Babu Nxamalala and with Cyril wawina akaza. Even nango 1991 kwi-conference leyo khona ngazi Cyril SG wayekwa Jacob Zuma kanje waphuma number 1 uJZ waba number 2. There was no time in history whereby uJZ compete no Cyril and win. Even back then by history mawufunda phansi uthola from abantu ingwevu zaka ANC. So I think at some point, yes, like he might have influenced the conference using funds, but at the same point, we don't know because we can't prove it. Although we know what in politics it's a norm.
Allegations.
Yeah, allegations are hleze khona and mawudliwe obvious uhlezi uzoba ne reason yokuthi udliweleni kanjani yonke lento leyo. Kodwa uMacingwane besipha ipoint lokuthi why mangabe hlangana nomongameli bese kuthiwa there was something dodgy ngale lapho kade sikhona bese sibuyela kulento yasekhaya ama developments, then we move forward with politics. Thank you.
Yes. And then manje ke mina ke about indaba yomuzi kababa, uma uzi kababa uzovuka ngamandla njengenawo ngoba mina angikaze ngifandwe umuntu. Mina ngasebenza kuswela kudala umuntu ke imali ke empilweni ngizimo zokungasebenzi kodwa futhi eqhubeka eqhushalaza ngakha futhi imizi kababa kusakhanya ngokungangamandla ami mina ngiphenywa ndawo ngeke ngibone kumadlanga commission ngibone kuthiwa ngiyabo ngikhubanisile ngiyakwazi kuyihambilisha
Itawas
even ngisho ngisho ngiyazi ke mina ngiyazi
Itawas
you'll never see me being penyaringed. Never. Angisoze ngazophenya mina. Angisoze nje. Nasemsakazweni ngasebenza ngeke ubone nje ngixoshela corruption. Ngisho ngisisa umuntu angifuni lutho kuyena. Ngoba umuntu umsamo wakhe umazi njani. Yabona. So namanje ke simple thing. Umuzi kababa uzovuka ngizoqombezela nami ngidle ngiqombeza ngayo bese kuqhubeka kuye phambili ngoba lo mthandazo obuwenzeka ogcina. Ngoba kunyathele ingilozi engifisayo ukuthi nami ngibe nginestage njengoZozo ngakhe uNkulunkulu uzongisiza nedala zobaba omkhulu ilokho
eternal vibes. I got money on my mind like all the time, and when I think about my past, baby, make me wanna cry. I've been in the stool like every day, it's like I'm learning how to fly, yeah.